Hello, my viewers. How are we this time? With me, your teacher. I've come with this wonderful topic, bases and alkalis. That is what we are looking at today. So a base is a substance that accepts hydrogen ion from acid in aqueous solution. That is a base. So in short, a base is a proton acceptor. Okay, so most bases are, so I'm giving you examples of bases. We have metal oxides such as copper 2 oxide, that is a base. Then we have metal hydroxides such as sodium hydroxide. Then we also have metal carbonates, okay, such as calcium carbonate. Examples of bases. Then bases can be soluble or insoluble in water. Okay, two, they can either be soluble or insoluble in water. For example, sodium hydroxide is soluble in water, while copper oxide is insoluble in water. So you have seen both of them, they are what? Bases. But the one is soluble, the other one insoluble. Let us also look at alkali as the subtopic there indicating. So an alkali is a base that is soluble in water. So an alkali is a base. Now that base is soluble in water. Example of alkalis include sodium hydroxide, that is an alkali. Then potassium hydroxide. Then we also have calcium hydroxide as well as the ammonia. All these, they are alkalis. So what's the difference between a base and an alkali? So a difference between the two is that a base cannot be an alkali, okay? But an alkali is a base. That's the only difference which is there. An alkali is a base which is soluble in what? In water. So a base that is insoluble in water, that is not an alkali. So when you look at the information given here, you are able to attest that metal hydroxides are what? An alkalis. All those, they are alkalis. That's what it means. For example, like the example that you have gotten, we have sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, as well as ammonia is also an alkali. Okay. So apart from that, we can also look at alkalis ionize in water. What is it they produce? So when they ionize in water, they produce hydroxide ions, which is indicated here with its chemical formula. Okay. Then let us look at now the simple ionization equation. So sodium hydroxide produces sodium ion plus hydroxide ion. Another one, we have potassium hydroxide. That one produces potassium ion and hydroxide ion. Okay. Then the other thing that you must know is that hydroxide ions are responsible for what? Properties of a base. So let us look at physical properties of a base or physical properties of bases. One of them is they have a bitter taste. So a base has got a bitter taste. Then they have a slippery touch. Okay? They turn a red litmus paper to what? To blue. Then they have a pH value of above 7. Then they conduct electricity. Apart from that, the strong bases are corrosive, meaning they burn. Okay? So this is all about bases and the alkalines. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Learning with Mr. A Plus Zambia for more educative videos. See you in the next class.